This video presents the modular upgrade for LEEG pressure transmitter from structure and performance. Main changes in appearance are in cover flange and sensor base height. Previous version, calibration data was stored on the PCBA. For new version, calibration data is stored directly in the sensor, allowing for easier maintenance and replacement. New version with good performance in low temperatures, the overload pressure has been increased from 16 MPa to 25 MPa. The display has been upgraded from 5-digit to 6-digit display, offering more precise readings. A new screen lock function has been added to prevent misoperation. The percentage display has been repositioned to the top of screen for better visibility. The top magnetic push button has been changed into electronic Hall components. It makes the operation more sensitive, reliable, and durable, especially in harsh industrial environments. The isolation terminal has been upgraded, previously connected by wire solder, and now we use plug-and-play design. Each terminal can be individually removed and replaced, making maintenance easier and safer.